In this video, we are going to learn how to use the arc tools. These are the 4 types of arc tools located here. After clicking on the arc tool, you will get a protractor like this one. So the first click will determine the starting point of it, and the second click, as always, will determine the end point. After determining your first point or your starting point, you can also type in a value, for example 4 meter. Now, as you move your cursor, you will notice that SketchUp is creating a line in the same form of a circle, but we are not going to make a circle, we are just going to make an arc. As always, to make the line smoother, you can type in 96S. Now, if we look at our measurement box, right here down here, you'll notice that there are different kind of angles snapping while you're moving the cursor. You can type in, for example, 45 degrees and hit the enter key. And there we have created an arc with an angle of 45 degrees. You can connect these dots and you will get a face like this. Now let's look at the pie tool. The pie tool actually works the same way, but this one creates automatically a face for you. Let's look at how to work with the 2-point arc. So the way this tool works is that after determining your starting point and the end point, you can move it upwards or downwards, and while moving it, you will notice a green line in the middle, which is called a bulge, as you see in the measurement box. So we can just type in a value, for example 1 meter, and hit the enter key, and there we have it. Now let's look at the last one, the 3-point arc, which is not so often used by people. So after the first and the second click, you'll notice that there is a black dot to which the line extends in a form of a circle. You can type in any kind of value. Let's type in 120 degrees, and this will give you a 3-point arc with a 120 degrees angle. Let's connect all these dots. The 120 degree angle, it is actually measured between these two lines.